ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। Nothing like that. Nothing like that. आपको कैसे मालूम? How do you know? How do you know? ये कैसे टूट गया? How did it break? How did it break? ढंग से पेश आओ। Behave yourself. Behave yourself. उससे झूठ मत बोलो। Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? क्या आप मेरे लिए इसका अनुवाद कर सकते हैं? Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? मैं आपको नहीं सुन सकता। I can't hear you. I can't hear you. मैंने पहले ही खा लिया है। I ate already. I ate already. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है। It's all your fault. It's all your fault. मैंने क्या किया? What I have done. What I have done. मुझे कार चलाना पसंद है। I like to drive a car. I like to drive a car. वह एक धोखेबाज है। He is a fraud. He is a fraud. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे उससे मिलना है। I have to meet here. I have to meet here. तुम उसे भूल जाओ। You forget him. You forget him. मुझे वापस कॉल करना, ठीक है? Call me back, okay? Call me back, okay? मैं तुम्हारे पक्ष में हूँ। I am on your side. I am on your side. अपने आप को बदलो। Change yourself. Change yourself. हमें अंग्रेजी में बात करनी चाहिए। You should talk in English. We should talk in English. मेरा मोबाइल किसने लिया? Who took my mobile? Who took my mobile? तुम्हारा मोबाइल मैंने लिया। I took your mobile. I took your mobile. तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? अपना मोबाइल चार्ज कर लो। Charge your mobile. Charge your mobile. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो। Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. यह तुम्हारा काम है। It's your work. It's your work. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Focus on your study. Focus on your study. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है। I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. किसी और को ढूंढ लो। Find someone else. Find someone else. यह खतरनाक है। It's dangerous. It's dangerous. वह अंग्रेजी में कमज़ोर है। He is weak in English. He is weak in English. वह पढ़ाई में अच्छी है। She is good at studies. She is good at studies. तुम कल कहाँ जाओगी? Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? तुम क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं अपने घर जाऊंगी। I will go to my house. I will go to my house. दिल्ली कौन जाएगा? Who will go to Delhi? Who will go to Delhi? 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात। It's a 9 days wonder. It's a 9 days wonder. ये आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How are you now? How are you now? मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ। I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you. अपनी नज़रें नीचे रखो। Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. तुमसे मतलब, none of your business, none of your business, आगे मत बढ़ो, don't go ahead, don't go ahead, मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है, I don't have any spare time, I don't have any spare time, आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो, you can speak English, you can speak English, तुमने क्यों पूछा, why did you ask, why did you ask, तुम एक दूसरे को कैसे जानते हो, how do you know each other, how do you know each other, कृपया आज मुझसे मिलें, kindly meet me today, kindly meet me today, मुझे बदनाम मत करो, don't defame me, don't defame me, उसके बारे में बात मत करो, don't talk about here, don't talk about here, मैं आपसे ज़रूर मिलूँगा, I will meet you surely, I will meet you surely, क्या मेरा वादा है, it's my promise, it's my promise, तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया, why did you let him go, why did you let him go, क्या मैं आपके साथ बैठ सकता हूँ, may I sit with you, may I sit with you, आपका क्या मतलब है, what do you mean, what do you mean, इसमें कितना समय लगेगा, how long will it take, how long will it take, क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, do you speak English, do you speak English, तुम क्या सोच रहे हो, what are you thinking, what are you thinking, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, where are you going, where are you going, मेरे साथ चलो, come with me, come with me, तुम क्या चाहते हो, what do you want, what do you want, वह तुम्हारे जैसे दिखती है, she looks like you, she looks like you, तुम खड़ी क्यों हो, why are you standing, why are you standing, क्या कहा तुमने, what did you say, what did you say, मुझे तुम पर गर्व है, I am proud of you, I am proud of you, मेरे पास कैश नहीं है, I don't have any cash, I don't have any cash, ज़्यादा हंसो मत, don't laugh too much, don't laugh too much, यहाँ से चले जाओ, go away from here, go away from here, क्या यह आपका आखिरी फैसला है, is this your final decision, is this your final decision, क्या आपके पास मोबाइल है, do you have a mobile, do you have a mobile, मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ, I am asking you something, I am asking you something, समय क्या हो रहा है, what is the time, what is the time, तुम्हें अपने काम में व्यस्त रहना चाहिए, you must be busy in your work, you must be busy in your work, आज बेहद गर्मी है, it's very hot today, it's very hot today, अपनी आदतें सुधारो, improve your habit, improve your habit, सीधे खड़े रहो, झुको मत, stand upright, don't bend, stand upright, don't bend, भाड़ में जाओ, go to hell, go to hell, जोश में मत आओ, don't get excited, don't get excited, जरा मैं तैयार हो लूँ, let me get ready, let me get ready, मैं तुम्हें कल फ़ोन करूँगा, I will call you tomorrow, I will call you tomorrow, thank you so much.